Okay, welcome to my friends. Today is 13/5/2021. So we are going to predict Nifty. Nifty means Nifty 50 for 14/5/2021. So the channel name is Marking with Candlesticks, and we are going to discuss today Nifty 50 SGX Nifty. Before going to discuss all this, I will tell you, please subscribe our Insta account. The Insta account details is given here. Okay, in the description box also the Insta account is given. Why I am telling for focus on Insta? Because in Insta account I am going to share the screenshot of this Nifty 50 candlestick pattern along with the screenshot of our target. You can note it down from the video itself, but before that, in that also I am going to discuss showing the total. One second, just okay. I'm going to share with you this screenshot of this target, Nifty 50 target. The target is for long-term purpose, which is for 2 months, and short-term purpose, which is 1 week. What tool we are using? Tools are Zerodha, Stock Edge app, investing.com, and Google. So if I open Nifty 50 in Google, you see Nifty 50 closing was 14,696.50. Yesterday it's open 14,008. Yesterday it opened 14,823.55. It high 14,824.05. Its low 14,649.70. Previous close was 14,850.75. So there was a little bit gap down opening. So right now, if we want to check what is Nifty 50 performance, we will have to go to SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty means the Nifty which is traded in Singapore. From SGX Nifty, we have to link our Nifty 50, what will happen for Nifty 50 tomorrow. But SGX Nifty and Nifty 50, it's not guaranteed that whatever showing in SGX Nifty figure, it will be reflecting Nifty 50. But we can have a idea. Let's go to SGX Nifty. So I am going to open investing.com, and Nifty 50 future means SGX Nifty is open. Right now the time is 1.37, means 1 o'clock, nearly 2 o'clock, and the SGX Nifty figure, it is showing 14,483. Our Nifty 50 close 14,690, nearly 700. So right now, if we are believing in SGX Nifty, there will be a 200 point gap down opening. 200 point gap down opening. Okay, but in night there is Dow will open. Morning is also there, so we cannot predict. But if right now we'll focus, it will show 14,484. Little bit some premium will be there. So I am telling 14,500 if Nifty will open. Okay, so we'll go for a short-term target and for a long-term target. For that, I am going to open our Kite Zerodha app. In Kite Zerodha app, I am going to open 30-minute candlestick. From 30-minute candle, if Nifty have a downtrend and our closing was 14,696.50, its next first target on downtrend, it is coming 14,530. The next target, it is coming 14,253.76. Another next target, it is coming 14,147.90. So what will be our strategy? The strategy is that if Nifty breaks 14,531 level, as SGX Nifty is showing nearly 14,500, it will open. Then our next, and it has a downtrend again, our next target will be 14,252, and another next target, if it breaks 14,252, our next target will be 14,147. But if after opening 14,531 or 500, Nifty tried to have a uptrend, because already 200 point down, and that time our RSI also might have been in down 20 point, means down 20. So there will be a oversold zone. Okay, that time if Nifty try to, after half an hour, after 1 hour, Nifty try to an uptrend, then what will be my target? Yes, then that time our target will be regarding uptrend. My big target is coming 14,755 or 760 nearly. If it breaks 14,760, next target is 14,982, and if breaks 14,982, my next target is coming nearly 14,002. 14,000, 1 second. My next target, it is coming 15,000, 14,976, sorry. Yes, 14,980 is my next target. 977, 980. If it breaks 14,976 or 980 level, then my next target is coming 15,144. Okay, 15,144, wrongly written. Okay, 15,144. Again I am going to show you 14,530 or 31 if it opens. Okay, my first target will be 14,760. Okay, 755 to 760. Next will be 14,977, and if breaks 14,977, next target will be 15,148. I am going to give you 3 target for short term purpose, that is for 1 week. Okay. Then we are coming for 1 day chart pattern, and this is for view of 1 month or 2 month. Okay, we are going to revisit this level after 2 or 3 week, but this short term target which is I have written here, that is I am going to review tomorrow night. Okay, so for short term target right now Nifty is 14,696.50. my first target for Nifty for uptrend is coming 15,063, 15,076 to 63, but the exact level it is coming 15,755 point, yes, nearly yes 76 it is I am written, so nearly 70 to 80 you can write for uptrend. My next target will be 15,263, and the third target will be 15,425. Mark, this is for view of 1 month or 2 month. And if Nifty have a downtrend, as right now we can see, yesterday it is a very big candle, and I think if Nifty respect this SGX Nifty level, then tomorrow also there will be a gap down opening. If you are in downtrend for long term, what is my target? My target 1 it is coming, it's a very, my target 1 it is coming, it's nearly in mid between, 1 second. Okay, my target 1 it is coming 14,595 to 620, means I am giving this in between level 14,619, 15,596 in between. If it breaks, then next target will be 14,175. First target will be 14,595 to 620. Next will be 14,177. Okay, and the third target will be 13,721. So again I am going to show you, if it has a downtrend, the first target will be nearly about 14,620 to 590. Next will be 14,170 nearly. Third will be 13,727. Okay. So this has a Nifty view, and before that also I am going to again open the StockEdge app. In StockEdge app, we are going to see Nifty and its gainers and losers. In gainers we can able to see Tata Motors, Titan, Maruti, Power Grid, UPL, Cipla, top 10, Britannia, NTPC, Larsen and Toubro, Dr. Reddy, Hero MotoCorp. So these are the top 10, and in loser this is Tata Steel, JSW, Indusint, Hindalco, Hindustan Unilever, BPCL, Grasim Oil. So you can see mostly the steel sector is downtrending this Nifty 50, and this PSU sectors and your consumer durables and auto sector, they are having an uptrend for the Nifty. So you have to see this sector what they are performing tomorrow. Means again the steel sector is going down or it has an uptrend, and if these sectors like your auto sector, whether it is pushing Nifty for up or down. So please focus on the steel sector and auto and bank sector, these three sector: auto, steel and bank. Because when we have seen Nifty's loser, mostly this banking sector fall more than that. Bank Nifty used to fall more, which drag Nifty 50 to downtrend. And in gainer, mostly that time pharma and your PSU sector try to compensate little bit of this loss which is caused because of this banking sector. Again I am going to see XGX Nifty. What is XGX Nifty showing? Oh my god, this is right now 14,471 of XGX Nifty. So there is a chance, I cannot assure you, but there is a chance of the Nifty can fall 14,200 point tomorrow. But night Dow is there, then morning also there is a possibility it can recover. But there is a, you can say, estimate 150 to 100 point, there is a gap down. When this gap down will happen, please see this level and try to trade. If one level is breaking from downtrend, then go for next level, then next level, and it has, when it is going for a reversal, means uptrend, then see how it is, like 14,755, 14,977 and 15,144. And tomorrow again night we are going to rethink this level for short term purpose, whether what happened to Nifty, what direction Nifty is going. Before that also I am going to show you in one day candle what is the RSI showing. 50 only, it's not a major impact. Oh, you see in short term chart, like in 30 minutes it is showing 34.65 RSI. So that is, every time I have noticed when the RSI of short term is go down below 20 and for one day it continues, there is a chance Nifty can Nifty can have a uptrend or reversal, trend reversal little bit. So that time you have to check this level and focus on the level, and through level only you have to trade. Okay, thanks. Again I am going to tell you that please subscribe this Insta account so that you can get this screenshot of Nifty 50 and this Excel screenshot. And yesterday also we have given 4 stock: Tata Motors, Power Grid, Tata Steel and JSW Steel for time period morely 4 month, 2 month to 1 year. There is a to buy and sell signal for this 4 stock. That also you can see our previous video and you can get, and this all these 4 share screenshot is also available in Instagram, that you can able to check. Okay, thanks. Please subscribe this Insta account.